Hey everyone, so I just wanted to give some instructions here for the Kratom article. Again, this one is pretty simple, close reading assignment. If you click on the link here at the top, it says read the article located here, and it'll take you to this live science article that talks about 5 things to know about Kratom. Again, the questions are kind of arranged in the same order that they're presented here in the actual article, and it's a fairly short read. So the first part here just asks, what's the scientific or two-part name of the plant kratom is made from? Again, this would be like the genus and species name combined together. You'll usually see them in italics. 2, what kind of plant is it? Is it a grass, a vine, a shrub, a tree, etc.? Think about what the plant looks like when it's just outgrowing in the wild. For number 3, what are 3 different medicinal uses of kratom? So again, think about based on the article, what are people using it for that has a medicinal benefit? Number 4, is kratom an opiate? Again, we talked a little bit about that when we talked about alkaloids and being related to opiates. Number 5, why is the fact of whether or not it's an opiate important? Think about why are we careful about opiates? What's the concern with opiates? 6, what are 3 different side effects of using kratom? Again, like with any medicinal application, whether it's synthetic or herbal, there's usually side effects. So, what are 3 different side effects of using this particular substance? Number 7, why does the DEA want to make kratom illegal? What's its argument for why it wouldn't be something that would be beneficial, or why it'd be something that could potentially cause harm? And then 8, do you think kratom should be a legal drug or an illegal drug? Again, it's your own personal opinion, but be sure to explain your answer. Don't just say, yes, I think it should, or no, I don't think it should. Give an explanation based on the evidence that you got in the article through reading it. So I hope that this made sense. Again, pretty simple reading assignment. For this, if you do have any questions, please feel free to email me, call me, or show up during our science department office hours, 9:30 to 10:30 every weekday, Monday through Friday.